Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2024 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 30RLS fifth wheel. This is a 3 slide out rear living room couples coach. This is again on the smaller, lighter scale of the Chaparral lineup. We're gonna take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this little RV, show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Coachmen Chaparral 30RLS fifth wheel here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up, rear living room, triple slide, kind of a couples coach setup. We're going to start back here in the back. We'll kind of work our way forward for you. So across the back side, you're going to have a large sofa here that will flip out, make into a bed. So you could sleep a couple guests back here if you had somebody come with you. Electric outlet USB charger port on each side there in the lower end tables. Big windows back here open, giving you hopefully a nice view at a good campground. There's pull down roller shades for your window blinds. Storage up above. Going to have a 36-inch Greystone electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. You got a Furrion sound bar. There's some storage area right there for maybe a Blu-ray player or a satellite box or something that you might have in here. Got your TV up there. They give you quite a bit of counter space here or an extra little bar area. Your main subfloor and kitchen slide is kind of a matching vinyl. And then over on your big slide over there, they're using that woven material that you find on a lot of like pontoon boats and stuff. Theater seat there, looking straight across to your TV area. Some overhead storage over there. Then you're going to have your dinette. The table is actually built into the wall. Freestanding chairs, so you can kind of maneuver those around. Big window overlooking your awning side area of your RV. Just kind of looking down our roof line here, you can see one of our ACs. There's some duct work running down there. Nice little decorative lighting stuff up above. Right here, you're going to have kind of a little trash can area. You also have full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. They're currently using the Greystone oven, has the glass front, does have a light built in, 3-burner cooktop, light up knobs, flip down glass lid, kind of giving you some extra counter space if you're not cooking. And then you have that Furrion hood range light and fan built in, high point microwave they're currently using. And then over here, you're going to have the 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt Everchill refrigerator. Couple large drawers down there. Below those drawers is your electric box with your breakers and fuses. A little bit more counter space there. Make a nice little coffee bar or something. Some storage up above that. And over here, you have a pretty large pantry area here. There's an electric outlet back there as well. And then up top there, you could maybe put some little decorative stuff up there. Looks like we also have a couple light switches here. There's a motion light down there at the step area. Up here, you're going to have some controls for some of the slides. Awning in and out button, awning light, exterior light switch here as well. We have some interior lights, water pump, 12 volt tank heaters. And you got your monitor panel here for all your holding tanks. Digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your main air conditioner. Now up there where that little blue sticker is, that is prepping for the Winegard 360 Plus Gateway Connect. That is a little box you can buy that connects up there, and you can put a chip in basically from like Verizon or AT&T and subscribe to a mobile Wi-Fi kind of hotspot scenario. Basically bringing internet with you. If you're going to be traveling a lot, that might be something to consider. You do have a little vent fan up there, little robe hook holders, a step-in shower with the glass enclosure. There's a skylight up above that also. And you have a little heat duct down there, porcelain foot flush toilet. And I have a little medicine cabinet and sink area over here. We'll look at that from the other side as well. Going into your master bedroom area here, there are TV hookups up here. So if you wanted to mount a TV to the exterior wall, you could. Just make sure you don't use too long of a screw, that you don't go all the way through the wall. That would be very bad. Some overhead cabinet space up there. You're going to have end table on each side. Over here on the right side, there's USB charger ports and electric outlets. On the left side, it looks like there's just an electric outlet. The bed will raise up, so there's storage underneath there also. Window on each side of the bed, kind of nice. Both of those open, so you can get a little bit of a cross breeze there. And this one also ordered with the second AC. Over here, you're going to have hanging closet area. A little bit of carpet up in this area. Couple drawers down below, some more storage space over here. But overall, a really nice little RV here for a couple. Right here is going to be your on-demand water heater controls. Now I want to go outside. I want to show you around the outside. And then we're going to come back in, close this thing up for you, show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2024 Chaparral 30RLS fifth wheel by Coachmen RV here. And we're going to start here on the door side, kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior attached to an upgraded Asdale composite material, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall. You have a black lower metal skirting, some vinyl graphics. You have tinted windows, power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV. You have adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff, manual override in the front arm head. There are a couple outdoor speakers. They're kind of down low here, so it's a little easier to hear them versus the ones that are way up high. You have one of your two 30-pound propane tanks right here. Pass-through storage compartment right here. There is an electric outlet in there, you can see. Some of that aluminum tube framing up there. You do have electric front stabilizer jacks with quick pull pins, and you'll see on the back electric jacks when we get back there as well. They do have the upgraded Lippert solid entrance step. That step is rated for 400 pounds, flips up inside the doorway. Large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out of the RV. There's an electric outlet on the outside here, and then this is also prepped for the Furrion side cameras. So you can buy aftermarket a camera that goes here, one on the other side, and one that goes on the back as well, allowing you to kind of see around a lot of the RV when you're traveling. The unit is solar equipped, so you do have solar panel up there. Also, again, is pre-prepped for that Wi-Fi 360 stuff that you can add on aftermarket. Back here in the back, there is a little gas line hookup down here. So you could plug in a portable grill, and you can also see your power rear stabilizer jacks and spare tire mounted underneath the bottom as well. Looking at the back side here, we have a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. You do have the traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. A lot of people store their dump hose in there. This has the ladder on it. Get you up on top of the roof so you can do some of your inspections, check for, water leaks, seam seals, that type of stuff. Very important to keep up with your roof maintenance. There's a little 2-inch hitch receiver in the center down there. That right there is basically meant for like a bike rack. It is not a towing type of hitch. It also has prepping in the top center up there for the Furrion rear observation camera. Again, very nice system to consider adding. Talk with your salesperson about that. Over here on this side, you're going to have your stove exhaust out just above the window right there. Dual axle unit. So you have aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. Also has that upgraded road armor suspension upgrade in the center there, which kind of acts as shock absorbers for RVs. Nice little upgrade there. Just behind the axles, some low point water drains. Your main dump area is going to be just up here. You also have your on-demand water heater right here, your furnace exhaust out right here, detachable 50 amp power cord right here. You have your city water inlet, black tank flush right here, and a hot and cold outside utility shower here as well. Now just inside of here, you have some little directional valves so you can kind of send water where you need it to go. You also have cable and satellite inlets as well. Over here on the other side, you're going to have a little light switch for some front cap lights. You can obviously see little motion lights up here, and then you also have your battery disconnect in there. Right here, you're going to have your other 30-pound propane tank with the auto changeover regulator back there. Now up here, you have some very important informational stickers. So this big one right here is going to be our production date sticker. Basically telling us this RV was built on 11/8 of 23, model number 30RLS, has a gross weight of 11,000 pounds. That's hitch weight, axle weight, everything combined do not exceed that weight. It has a dry weight of 9,010 pounds with the options that were on it. Length, 34 feet 2 inches. Tire size, ST 225 75R15 E-range tires with an 80 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with these RVs. Step back here so you can kind of see down the whole side of this thing. Now, one thing you might also consider, you'll notice there's a little black rail above those slide outs. That is prepping for a slide out awning cover. It's a nice feature to consider adding. That would allow you to basically not have to worry as much about like leaves and twigs and debris falling on top of your slides. You don't want that because if you accidentally drag that stuff in, you could damage your slide out seals. So having slide toppers helps repel a lot of that type of stuff, along with water. Helps repel a lot of water on a rainy day. So definitely consider that. Down here, you're going to have another little storage area. So there's battery compartment right here. There's some controls for some of the jack stuff. There's also the solar charge controller, another motion light in here as well. And then this does have a pretty nice fiberglass front shell as well. A couple LED light strips coming down. Traditional pen box here. So if you do want to upgrade that aftermarket, you could do like say a more ride pen box or a trail air pen box or something along those lines. All right, we're gonna head back inside. I wanna show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back up inside the brand new 2024 Chaparral 30RLS fifth wheel here. And just real quick, I wanted to show you what it looks like closed. So we kind of cheated a little bit, closed up 2 of the 3 slides, but when you are ready to close, you're basically coming back in here to your controls. These are 12-volt power slides. You push the button to go in, it should come in. You push the button to go out, it should go out, as long as you have a good charged up battery system. So you can see, very important when you're closing things up, that everything is in its place properly. You want to make sure your floor is clean so you don't accidentally run over some rock that might have come off your shoe and damage your floor. So sweeping the floor before you close it up, or at least looking over it nicely, should be done. Making sure your cabinets and your drawers and everything is fastened and latched back properly, very, very important. Now when this bedroom slide comes in, it butts right up against the bed area, so you're not really getting into your closet there, but I still could come up here and sleep. So if I'm stopping at a rest area or a grocery store parking lot or something, I could come in here, I could use my bathroom, I could take a shower if I had water with me, I could take a nap. I could come in here, load my refrigerator with my groceries if I had to. Now, when you're closing up your main slide, we'll show you what this looks like here. This kind of comes in up at an angle a little bit. It's coming up over top of the main subfloor. And it's again going to get very close to this island. However, I could still come in here, wash my hands, or get to my refrigerator if I needed to. You can see there's still a decent amount of room for me to walk through here. Hear that kind of clanging noise? That's basically telling me that it's all the way in to let off the button. Now I'm not really getting to the back section unless I'm climbing over a counter or something, and I'm not doing that. But if you got maybe a little grandkid or somebody with you, you might toss them over there and let them grab you something if you need it. But it only takes a few seconds to just hit the button and run the slide out right on back out. Now, as always, guys, be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV, guys. And also, if you don't mind, please hit that like, share, subscribe buttons. Help out the guys' channel. Much appreciated. Thanks again.